Brace yourself for a double dose of adrenaline. We're bringing you the fastest firewood processing and the most dangerous chainsaw action on the planet. This is where power meets precision, and it's about to get loud.
Oh my god.
Wow, a homemade wood splitter, when crafted with precision, becomes a powerhouse in your hands. By applying basic knowledge and care, you can achieve far more efficient results than traditional methods. It's not just about splitting wood, it's about working smarter, not harder. Incredible. A Kamama truck navigates the treacherous mud of northern Kirov after days of relentless rain. This isn't this driver's first rodeo. He's a seasoned veteran of these unforgiving roads. He backs up, gaining momentum for the deep mire ahead, but the tires spin fruitlessly. Focus is key. One slip-up could spell disaster for both man and machine. Amazing. Designed for efficiency, this 9-ton electric log splitter provides a consistent, high-powered performance without the noise or emissions of gas models. Its heavy-duty build ensures durability, while the electric motor offers smooth operation. Ideal for residential and light commercial use, it handles a variety of log sizes with ease, making wood splitting safer and more efficient. Incredible. The AI RT800 Raptor is a powerful forestry mulching machine with an 800 horsepower engine designed to handle dense vegetation and large organic material, weighing approximately 20 tons. Awesome. This is awesome. I love how they turned a simple idea into something so effective. This woodcutter is incredibly efficient, and it really shows what you can achieve with a bit of creativity. Great job. Amazing. Thinking about tree removal? Don't leave it to chance. A smart plan keeps you safe and saves you money. Magical. There's something truly magical about turning a rough log into neatly cut planks with a homemade saw equipped with a large, sharp tooth blade. And when the saw blade cuts smoothly, you can't help but feel like an expert. Brilliant. And mounted saw blades to the edger portion. This DIY stump grinder isn't just innovative, it's a cost-effective solution for homeowners. Designed for precision, it provides an easy way to remove stumps without needing to hire costly equipment. Efficient, affordable, and practical. What more could you ask for? As you can see, that's what I do, and you end up with little stumps at the ground surface, so your mower can glide right across them.
So I hope you guys found that. If you guys got these little stumps around your yard, this is a quick and easy way of making something to take care of them flat. Pretty expensive piece of equipment. So if you guys got any question on this, feel free to post them up. As always,
impressive. I appreciate its precise design. The split shaft is mounted on 2 outer bearing supports. If there is only one support, and this happens very often, then the additional load is placed on the bearing of the gearbox output shaft, and the shaft itself is subjected not only to torque loads, but also to bending moments. This is the most reliable, safe, and simple homemade wood splitter. I am especially pleased with the belt protector.
Очень мощно.
Powerful. A time-saving Titan merging saw and chipper, it devours wood up to 420 millimeters. Unleash its power. Its robust frame guarantees unwavering durability and unmatched efficiency, even under relentless use. A true beast of productivity. Incredible. The CIB 60-Hin forestry disc mulcher is a revolutionary tool for land clearing and forest management. It tears through material up to 4 inches thick with ease and handles trees up to 8 inches thick without breaking a sweat. Built to last with replaceable teeth and a high-powered engine, this machine is ready to tackle any challenge you throw its way. Wow. The Vermeer BC 20-letter XL revolutionizes urban forestry with unmatched power and precision. Watch it tackle massive trees effortlessly, ensuring safety and efficiency in Sydney's bustling cityscape. Amazing. Using a snatch block pulley system with a 21-to-1 mechanical advantage provides a powerful force multiplier, making stump removal a much more manageable task. This system effectively transforms a modest amount of input force into the high output force necessary to tackle the stump's resistance efficiently. impressive. If you're serious about getting rid of stumps, you need a machine like the T300. This thing is a workhorse. With its 81 horsepower Kohler diesel engine and high hydraulic flow, it can handle any stump you throw at it. Trust me, I've seen it in action. It makes quick work of even the toughest stumps, saving you time and effort. Fantastic. Why work hard when you can work smart? This hydraulic wood cutting saw takes the effort out of splitting logs, turning hours of work into minutes. With a simple push of a button, the machine does the heavy lifting for you. No strain, no hassle, just smooth, effortless operation. Incredible. These machines are absolutely amazing. You've got to see the John Deere 1470D paired with the H480 harvester head in action. They operate seamlessly like a perfectly tuned system, effortlessly tackling those dense German forests. The speed and efficiency will blow your mind. If you're a fan of industrial tech or forestry, this is something you don't want to miss. Powerful. The Bell 8000 delivers unmatched power and precision with its 125 horsepower engine. Perfect firewood every cut. Wow, these homemade log splitters are amazing. It's like turning your backyard into a mini lumberjack station. But don't forget to secure the axe to prevent it from spinning. Reversing the motor direction for extra safety is a big improvement. Unbelievable. Watching these guys maneuver timber down a mountain that feels like it's straight out of a movie is wild. The focus, the precision, the sheer courage, it's just mind-blowing. Someone needs to give these drivers a medal. Caution: using chains and tires to extract a stump leverages fundamental physics, transforming the vehicle into a powerful lever. However, chain failure under such immense tension presents a significant safety hazard. The sudden release of stored energy could result in unpredictable and potentially dangerous projectile motion akin to a malfunctioning slingshot. Reminder: need some friction for tops that size? Invest in a porter wrap. Keep the ground guys on the ground. Incredible! Can you believe it? With this DIY circular saw, you can slice through a cubic meter of wood in just 6 minutes, 3 times faster than usual. But speed isn't everything. Safety is key. Install a waist-high bar linked to a safety shutoff, much like a lawnmower. Efficiency meets security. Thrilling. Ever felt the thrill as a tree finally gives in to the saw? It's the symphony of steel slicing through wood, the pause before it tips, and the crack of splintering fibers. If that rush hits you, you're not alone. Fantastic. This firewood splitter is truly a game changer. It operates smoothly with no jolts or vibrations, just powerful and quiet performance. Low fuel consumption and a reasonable speed make it extremely efficient for household needs. This machine gets the job done excellently. Exciting. Ever wished you had a longer reach and smoother moves on the job? Check out this Logset 5F GT forwarder with the Mazera 71 crane. With a reach of up to 10.3 meters and a lifting capacity of 7.5 tons, it's like they designed it with your comfort in mind. Spacious cabin, easy handling. The Logset 5 boasts a powerful, agile design perfect for all types of terrain. So, while the Mazera 71 crane provides exceptional precision with its hydraulic system and flexible movement, it's the ultimate combo for efficiency and ease on any job site. impressive. This DIY tire cutting saw is engineered for maximum efficiency. Its streamlined design optimizes cutting force while minimizing effort, making it one of the best solutions for tire recycling and repurposing. The combination of power and precision ensures clean cuts with minimal waste. Wonderful. Well, folks, that's going to do it for this project. Remember, the key to clean cuts is a sharp blade and a steady hand. Practice makes perfect, so get out there and make some sawdust.